Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code for business card. So after watching this video you are able to do this work perfectly. First of all, I'm going on Google, then type QR code generator, then go to QR code generator. You can choose any website, so I choose on. Then here is a type of multipurpose, SMS, email, phone, app, plain text, multi URL. Okay, I select multi URL, click on plus button, create a new dynamic QR code. So I want to click on here. Then first of all I need to log in here, so I try to log in. Okay, once you have done, you need to input some information here. So I want to input my website address. Then okay, it's only for website address. Then go to contract. You can see this is a contract option. Then here is a, otherwise this is only Mr. And so I type my first title name, then I select my all the information. Then I need to input phone number, then website. Okay, I want to add a website here, so I type my website. Then okay, this website now create a QR code for me, so I click on download as a PNG. So just click on download. Okay, it's already downloaded. So now I'm going on Canva, because Canva is absolutely free video and photo editing software you can use right now. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. So now just click on here. So I open a business card. So you need to first go on search button, then type um, business card. So I want to some edit here. Okay, this one good. Then type my name. Then general manager. Okay, edit your preference. Then um, add your office and phone number, website, etc, etc. Then add your QR code on here. So just go to upload button, then select file, then select this QR code, then select one. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is really good and awesome. So I highly recommend for using this Canva, because Canva drag and drop. Okay, pretty good. This video I create only for example. So you can see this is a method you can create a QR code for business card. So if you want to more videos type of, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.